16 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 4 raised to the power x. We have to find the value of x. The first step, we are going to start by expressing the number 16 in index form with 4 at the base. 16 in index form with 4 at the base gives us 4 squared. We are going to raise all this to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 4 raised to the power x. We are going to transfer the 4 raised to the power x at the right hand side to the left. It becomes negative 4 raised to the power x is equal to 0. This will give us 4 raised to the power. We are going to multiply the powers. 2 times x gives us 2x. Negative 4 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x, it gives us negative 2 times 4 raised to the power x is equal to 0. At this level, it is very easy to see that 4 raised to the power x is common. We are going to factor out 4 raised to the power x. 4 raised to the power x times 4 raised to the power x gives us 4 raised to the power 2x. The next 4 raised to the power x times negative 2 gives us negative 2 times 4 raised to the power x is equal to 0. At this level, if this product at the left hand side is equal to 0, it therefore means either 4 raised to the power x is equal to 0 or 4 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we take the first one, take a star, we have 4 raised to the power x is equal to 0. For this case, x does not exist because there exists no number such that when we raise 4 to that number, we are going to obtain a result of 0. So for this case, x does not exist. Does not exist. Now we take 2 star. The next case for 4 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0. First, we are going to transfer negative 2 to the right hand side, which gives us positive 2. The next step, we are going to take log to the base 10 at the left hand side, and at the right hand side, log 4 raised to the power x is equal to log 2. Applying the law of power, log 4 raised to the power x gives us x log 4 is equal to log 2. Next, we are going to divide both sides by the constant log 4. Divide the right hand side by log 4. At the left hand side, log 4 will strike out log 4. You will be left with x equal to the log of 2 all over the log of 4. We know we can express the number 4 in index form with 2 at the base. It gives us 2 raised to the power 2. This will simply be equal to log 2 all over. Applying the law of power, the denominator gives us 2 log 2. Log 2 at the numerator will cancel log 2 at the denominator. This will simply be equal to 1 over 2. We are done with the solution. Thank you very much for watching.